Thank you, Jordan. The unlawful dismissal case brought by former West Indies bowler and assistant coach Vasper Drakes against Cricket West Indies might likely have a hearing by early 2022, according to his attorney Ralph Thorne. With Drakes and CWI failing to settle their differences at mediation prior to the coronavirus outbreak, a breakthrough could be made soon with the case now in the Antiguan High Court.
COVID has interrupted just about everything on the face of the earth. But we went to mediation sometime last year. We were not successful in having that mediation. The parties could not agree on a mediation, and therefore we had to go back to the High Court. We're back in the High Court. I can tell you that all of the documentation has been finalized, and the only thing left to be done is for the parties, for CWI and its parties, to come to court and be cross-examined by us as to what is their case, what is their evidence, and hopefully that can be done.
Drakes, along with former head coach Richard Pybus and batting coach Toby Radford, were axed following or from their positions 2 weeks after the Ricky Skerritt administration took office and 2 months before the Cricket World Cup.